Sagar, let's say. Okay, this guy, whenever I click this, let me make this as a link. So usually what you do, you go visit any website, let's say visit tutorslive.com, let's say, for instance. So this is a link again. So if I click it, it takes me back to the same page. Or I go here and I click this, it takes me to the home page. So the purpose of this particular name or logo, whatever it can be, the purpose of it too is to navigate to the home page. You take any, let me take YouTube. Okay, so if I click here, YouTube, I click here and I click here, so it takes me to the home page. So anytime you see this particular guy is always a link, and it should take to the home page. Okay, so what we do is href href equal to, I'll say, home page. In this case the home page is basic layout.html, right? Is this the home page, right? I mean, home page is the same page in this case. Okay, and for the login too, login, let's say href equal to, let's say, I'll say login.html. Okay, so now these two are now links. Now you can see here. Now what I want is for all of the links, okay, for all of the links, what I want is, I don't want the text decoration be none, and I want a beautiful color, unlike that, you know, that regular blue color. I want it to be in blue, so blue is RGB, let's say 00. I want something RGB, let's see. Yeah, this is cool, good. And coming to the search box, okay, so let's not style the farm elements now. Let's leave it just like that. Okay, so now if I click on this, it comes back to the same page. And login, we did not make login, so it says file not found. Okay, now coming to the banner. So for the banner, so banner is always image. So what I do is, like, I guess we have one image, so image src equal to images slash, I don't remember the name of the file, so let's see what is the name of the file. So I go here to the images. Well, this is learn HTML with me is the banner. So what's the name of it? Banner.jpg. Awesome. Banner.jpg. Now let's remember, give an alt text to the image, so that if the image is not found, then, you know, I'll say this learn HTML with me is a banner alt. Okay, so let's go back to the code and refresh. Yeah, this is kind of gone so far away. So I'll restrict it. How do I restrict? Let me use structure nesting of this. So inside the banner, if there is an image tag, contain it with 100%. okay, let the height be anything, let's say. Now you can see here it has shrinked it to that level when, you know, it has to go there. Okay, and this is the margin. Actually, you can see here, see it there. I don't want that margin. This margin is a margin of the header. If you guys can remember, let's go ahead and see this in Chrome. Here I'll refresh. Now we'll go to the computer and let's say header. You can see the orange one there. It's the margin, right? I don't want that. If I don't want that, what I do is, like, if I say I don't want it, let's see how do we do it. So for the header, the margin, I don't want the bottom margin, but I want the right margin, the left margin, and the bottom margin be this and this. If you guys can remember, top, right, bottom, left. Okay, if you guys can remember. So I'll go here and say, yeah, this is merged now. It is merged, so that I can remove this border bottom. I'll remove this. I don't want that, truly speaking. Now this is, and I can do one more thing here. Oops. Oh, this is Firefox. Okay, let the banner take the whole of the, what you say, height also. Let's say height be, I don't know if I can manipulate the height using this height. No, I can't manipulate this thing. So what I can really do is, the min height is 130 pixels, right? So let's say 130 pixels, so that it spans all over the 130 pixels. Okay, 40 minutes remaining. Oh, let's say 15 minutes. Okay, fantastic. Thanks, Taufik. Thanks for reminding. I'm sorry. So yeah, so this is a basic layout where I have functioning something. So come on, let me write the content here. I'll just go ahead and write my own content here. Let's say now here let me use the paragraphs. I can use a paragraph here. So hey, nice meeting you guys. I am a web developer, entrepreneur, tutor, and what else I am? I'm a hobbyist, knowledge seeker, and I'm just making something. Okay, knowledge seeker, and the owner of 3 websites. You can check out my personal page at www.sagarpudilapu.me. Also, you can see my works at www.book.com, www.tudoslive.com, and www.exatrip.com. Every of this website is developed and designed by me, and sometimes designed in sense, not the whole design. I've taken the inspiration from bootstrap.com, which we'll be discussing tomorrow. Okay, designed by me. So some crap, I don't want to extend that thing. So yeah, this looks good, but not so good. So again, the padding and margin, it does matter. So what I can say is, like, again, inside the content, what I want to do is, like, I want to give just a padding. So let's say 10 pixels is the padding for the content. So go here. Yeah, this is cool. So again, I can just fill up any content over there, and I can even make them as links, external links. Alright, so again, coming to the footer,